Con una nomás ahí medio que.
King Piers out here in Olathe. Raised this house right here just about 4 inches. You could visually see where the windows are there in the living room, just to the right of the porch. It was visibly down, now it's level. Perfectly level. Took 21 of our King Piers to get it that way. And right now we're just encasing our piers in concrete. 4,000-pound high-strength concrete, 100% cement, no fly ash, reinforced with fiber. We poured about a 5-inch slump. For all your foundation piering needs, call me 816-521-8915, or you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.